Hi, my name is Yvonne So. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Noodle Factory.
Hi, my name is Jim Wagstaff. I'm the co-founder and chief commercial or conversation officer at Noodle Factory.
Noodle Factory is a software as a service company. So the service we provide is a conversational AI platform where we enable companies, businesses, organizations to set up chat interfaces really easily for their users. I was actually recommended to Sleek from a lawyer that I contacted about some services. We have had a corporate secretary in the past for our other business, Gem Factory. But we found that the process is very manual and old-fashioned, and we were looking for something that's more aligned with our current business, which is high-tech, to be a lot automated and everything digital. In a service provider, I would look for someone who is able to get things done quickly and without adding time to the processes. What made our Sleek solution stand out for us? Firstly, from the time that we contacted Sleek online, the response was very quick and also basically really was what we wanted, which is mostly digitalized. What we've been most impressed with is the efficient process of being able to do a lot of things online and even offloading a lot of what we previously handled in the past. I would recommend Sleek to other tech startups like us. Yeah.